Hi, so in this video we will discuss on how to create a plan and what are the initial steps included while creating a plan. So first click to the create plan button. The very first screen that appears is that you have to provide the official name of the plan and also the plan description. Your plan must have a unique name. You cannot use the same name for another plan. So this one is my annual revenue plan. Hit to the next button. In the next step, you have to mention the path. The path also has a name and also along with its description. So the name of the path could be any, like it could be your monthly quota, quarterly bonus, or either your yearly bonus, whatever you want to name it. Now a path could either be the recurring one or the temporary one. Recurring one is the one that appears multiple times according to the time frame that you have set in your plan, and the temporary plan has a specific end date, so it does not reappear or reoccurs. So I am adding a temporary plan. For the temporary plan I need a starting date and also I need to add a end date. Now click to the next. In the next screen you have to define your quota. So you have to name your field first. Like if it is your annual revenue, you can name it as ARR. I want my field name as yearly bonus, so this one is populated here in the amount also. Now this amount, let's say if I am adding 5,000, so basically this is that sum of all the deals that are under this plan must have a total of greater than 5,000. Then the commission rate will be calculated. In the last screen you have to provide the commission rate. So my commission rate is 25%, so I will just add 25 and hit to the create button. So it will create my plan successfully. We will discuss about how to move further with the plans and how to associate deals with the plan. So this is my plan that I have generated in the previous video. Now you can see that plans, when these are associated or made by the user side, these are not verified. The status is pending. So admins have to approve the plans first. So go to the admin side and publish the plan. Now the user is notified here in the notifications that this plan has been published by your sales manager and the status is changed to published. Now you can associate deals with this plan. Keep in mind that the path start date and the end date is already associated with the plan, so you can associate the deals that lies in this range. Now let's try associating deals with my plan. I have only one plan in this range, so this one will be shown in the drop down. Now this is the value of your deal. By the name of the annual revenue, it would be, let's say for this deal I am creating it as 2,000. Now the deal stage is pipeline and also the approval is pending approval. In the deal, go to the all deals. So this one needs approval. The admin will be reviewing this deal and then hit the approve button. Go to the user side again. So now the status has been approved. So moving further, I have 3 deals associated with my plan, the annual revenue plan, and also the earnings are calculated here, which is a 25% of the commission rate. So these are the earnings. Let's move these to the closed form. So now I have 3 deals that are closed won. Keep in mind that the deals that are closed won, only those will be added. Those that are closed lost, they can't add any value to the earnings. So now I can see in the attainments that the quota was 5,000 and now the deals sum is 7,000, which is greater than my quota. So I have my earnings here. So these attainments are basically the stats of the achievements and the overall progress towards the goal. So you can apply filters, you can view each and every plan solely, and also you can filter it out with the dates. I have only one plan, that's why the drop down is showing only the option of all and the annual revenue plan. So these are the total closed won deals, that are the 3 deals in my plan. And also in the attainment logs you can see the statuses. So the status is in progress. This is because the plan has not ended yet, so the status will change only when the plan end date arrives. Moving forward to the earnings, attainments are converted into the earnings automatically when the user plan reaches its end date. To the earning module. So the earning module contains all your earning stats and graphs. So once you have earnings, here are the total earnings at $1750. So let's try requesting a payout. Click to the create payout button. Now you need to enter the amount. So you have the available balance as $1750. So it must be lesser or equal to the amount, and click to the save. So when a user requests a payout, it needs to be approved by the admin. So I have some of my payouts as the status is shown pending, and some of these are approved and some rejected ones also. So the rejected ones are not subtracted from the total balance. Total balance is only updated when the payouts are approved. So let's go to the admin side and approve these payouts. So once the approval process has been completed, the user will be able to see that the amount is deducted from the total balance and the status is shown as paid. So let's refresh. So you can see on the user side that the status has been shown as approved, so it's been updated and the paid amounts are also added. Functions are based on 2 roles, sales manager and also the admin. Only the admins are able to see the settings button. Under the settings button there are 3 settings that admin can set: integration, member access and also the sync. The member access, there is the information of all the members that are in your organization. So admins can change the role of the other members for the user access level. Also the integrations. Integrations are basically that where your deals are coming from in the Zoho CRM. So it could be any of your custom modules. First select any of your modules. I am selecting the deal module here. So now you have to map the fields. So at the right hand side, these are the deals coming from the module that you have selected. So let's map the potential name in the deal name. Click to the create button so that your integration is done successfully. So once you are done with the integration, only then afterwards you can create your sync, because there must be any module that should be associated to get deals from. So now I can schedule the start date. All your plans will be shown in the drop down. So I want these deals to be added to the annual revenue plan. The interval type is minutes and the value is 5. It is 5 minutes of the time interval after which the sync will be successfully updated. So what type of deals I am selecting? All deals. Let's create the sync. So now the status is turned on. By default it is turned on and the logs will be shown once the deals are synced according to the time interval that you have told.